Welcome back. We have another recording. Today is April 7th, 2020, and there are only 42 school days the rest of the year, okay? And for those 42 remaining days, I will do one video each day and post them. And then I will show all of you how you can prove your work and show your notes, and then also take quizzes eventually, all online through the Google Classroom, and of course using YouTube. Okay, here's your daily math routine for the next 42 days of your distance learning. Remember, always do Imagine Math. Okay, log on to that first 30 minutes. There are free tutors online to help you with your problems. Continue to practice your math facts, and when you go to 5th grade, you are ready to go and you know all of your times tables. YouTube notes, which are these, and then Math Freckle, Math Prodigy. Okay, if you add up all those times, that's about an hour a day. All right. And starting next week, I will do some live lessons using Google Meets, and a lot of that will focus on language arts as well. Okay, so here we go. Take those awesome notes, just like you've been doing all year. The only thing that's different is instead of me checking your notes in person tomorrow at school, you will have your parents take a picture of you and your notes and post it on ClassDojo. And tomorrow I'll show you how you can post comments in the Google Classroom for that short mini math lesson. All right, here we go. Math grade 4, unit 1, 2019-2020, practice problems. Standard form BT2, which is read, write, compare multi-digit whole numbers. All right, so I'm just gonna move this out of the way for right now. Let's go to it. Number 8, Juan had written the inequality shown. Now for all you 4th graders, I miss you, okay? It's Mr. D. I know I haven't seen you for over 3 weeks now. I will be seeing you shortly online through Google Meets. But remember, be safe, wash those hands. But also, sooner than later, you will be in 5th grade. So make sure you study daily and take those awesome notes like you've been doing all year. Sorry, just had to throw that in. First recording for the last couple weeks. Juan had written the inequality shown. 433, comma, unknown number 12, less than 43, unknown number, comma, 111. He said that he could put the same digit into both blanks to make the inequality true. Which digit will make Juan's statement true? So let's identify the question. Now, if you do hear some background noise, I'm a parent as well, and I have 2 kiddos who are playing in the backyard. I'm recording this in my garage. So if you hear some background noise, I apologize, but you know what? Kids should get out and play just as much as they're looking at a TV screen or a computer screen. So these are all digits. A digit is just one number, but we need to make it true. Now, in the previous recordings, I recorded over 100 videos this year, so you can go back to all of them. Remember, this is number 8, so you can go back to 1 through 7 to help you review, because if we don't do these problems, you will tend to forget the information. Just go back, do a quick scan. You can fast forward the videos right to the end and check out the notes. And if you forgot everything, remember, just replay the entire video. I'm going to do my place value table. So this would be step 1, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Step 1. Write place value table. Okay? The next step, I'm going to take these numbers and stack them. Okay? So let's do that. I'm going to take this one first. I'm going to put 2, 1, unknown number, 3, 3, 4. And then I'll put the comma there. All right. Remember, this symbol means less than. Take your left hand, make that L. The L is right there for less than. Next, I'm going to take the next number, 111, unknown number, 3, 4. Now, here's why I stacked them, okay? Previous lessons have shown that you want to start in the greatest place value, on the place value table. So I start in the hundred thousands. Notice how 4 and 4 are exactly the same. Notice how 3 and 3 are exactly the same. Okay, so you can take away those two numbers, and here's your problem now. Not that they don't matter, but they kind of don't as of now. Now you are just looking at these. Okay, notice how those are the same and those are the same. I like taking index cards. Check that out. There's no difference. Those are equal to each other. See how those are equal to each other? All right, so now we are looking at this, but let's see what the question asks us to do. Which digit will make Juan's statement true? Okay, so let's just substitute. I'm going to put the 1 in there and the 1 in here. Okay, so if I put 1 in here and 1 in here, because it has to be the same for each one. See how it says right here? He said that you could put the same digit into both blanks. So you put it here and you put it here. Now we need to make sure that it's true. So watch this. I go back up to the problem. I put 1 here and I put 1 here. Now when I look at this, I look at the highest place value, which is the thousands. I know that 3 is greater than 1. Okay, well, there's one problem with that. We want this to be less than. Okay, so 433,112 is not less than 431,111. Okay, why? Because 3 thousandths is greater than 1. So this is not true. Okay, now I'd have to do the process all over again. All right, now I'm pushing up near 7 minutes. I did do an extra couple minutes where I went over some other stuff that was not related directly to the problem. Most of these videos I will keep to 5 to 6 minutes. So now all of what I would do, I would take each one and put it in there again. Now, since I have done a ton of math over the years, I'm going to jump right away and try 4. Okay, and I'm going to put the 4 in pink to prove that this is true. Because I know if I put 2 here and 2 here, 3 is still greater than 2. I need to have 3 be less than. Okay, so let's try this. I'm going to put 4 in there. 4, 3, 3. Notice how none of the numbers changed. 1, 2. This time I put the 4 in there. All I am doing is just substituting. Put the 4 there. Let's take the other number. That was 4, 3, unknown number, 1, 1, 1. And now I put the 4 in there. Now this works. Look at these two. So I look at the highest place value. 3 is less than 4. I'll write it over here. We're running out of room. So I'm going to put a star right here. I'll put a star up here. 3 is less than 4. I'll write the number over here one more time. I'm going to take this number, 433,412 is less than 434,111. Look at that. That one digit right there in the thousands place. That did it right there. See that? 3 is less than 4. And just to show you, I will take that 3 right here and see that 3 right here. Okay, I proved it. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. However, in the spaces that were empty, notice how I put the same digit in each one. Okay. This problem takes lots and lots of practice. I will have more practice problems in the Google Classroom. And again, I'm going to put quizzes online using Google Forms. And also when I see you live in person, we'll just go over some simple tricks using old school blank white paper and whiteboards and just talking it out. Okay. Be safe. Wash your hands. Practice your social distancing. This was the video for April 7th, 2020. And I will do 41 more, one each day, all the way till the end of school. And then you're moving on to 5th grade. Okay. happy note taking. When you are finished with the notes just for today, post it in YouTube, say, Mr. D, I got the notes. And or have your parents take a picture of you with your notes and post it on ClassDojo. Okay? Happy note taking.